Alimony payments and you. What is an alimony payment? Typically, it's more of an American term. When you hear alimony payments, some people have an idea, some don't, of what that is. Basically, we're talking about spouse support or spousal support. So with an alimony payment, it means that what does one spouse on separation or divorce pay to the other one in terms of ongoing payments? Usually this happens with a long-term marriage and where one of the parties is not making as much as they could have been had they not been in the marriage. The courts like to make sure that they fairly split up all the advantages and disadvantages, and they're going to look at things like ability to pay, what your needs are, your ability to go back to work. If you took time off work to raise kids, what your salary would have been otherwise. They try to really make it fair all around. When negotiating alimony payments, there's a wide spectrum of things that are involved in this. It's not as cut and dry as, say, child support payments, which are more clear, or often more clear. You want to make sure that you're properly represented and that you have all the facts. It's one of these things that we can't just give a quick opinion based on a little bit of the facts. We need to know all of them so that we can make sure that you are fully protected and that you're not overpaying, or if you're not getting less than you should, we want to make sure that it's appropriate given the circumstances and people's financial situation.